The International Space Station program is tied together by a complex set of legal, political and financial agreements between the 15 nations involved in the project, governing ownership of the various components, rights to crewing and utilization, and responsibilities for crew rotation and resupply of the International Space Station. It was conceived in 1984 by President Ronald Reagan, during the Space Station Freedom Project as it was originally called, and the contemporaneous Soviet-Russian Mir 2 proposal with similar aims. These agreements tie together the 5 space agencies and their respective international space station programs and govern how they interact with each other on a daily basis to maintain station operations, from traffic control of spacecraft to and from the station, to utilization of space and crew time. In March 2010, the International Space Station program managers from each of the 5 partner agencies were presented with Aviation Week's Laureate Award in the space category, and the IS program was awarded the 2009 Collier Trophy. In the early 1980s, NASA planned to launch a modular space station called Freedom as a counterpart to the Soviet Salyut and Mir space stations. In 1984, the ISRO was invited to participate in Space Station Freedom, and the ISRO approved the Columbus Laboratory by 1987. The Japanese Experiment Module, or Kibo, was announced in 1985 as part of the Freedom Space Station in response to a NASA request in 1982. In early 1985, science ministers from the European Space Agency countries approved the Columbus program, the most ambitious effort in space undertaken by that organization at the time. The plan, spearheaded by Germany and Italy, included a module which would be attached to Freedom, and with the capability to evolve into a full-fledged European orbital outpost before the end of the century. The space station was also going to tie the emerging European and Japanese national space programs closer to the US-led project, thereby preventing those nations from becoming major, independent competitors too. In September 1993, American Vice President Al Gore and Russian Prime Minister Viktor Chernomyrdin announced plans for a new space station, which eventually became the International Space Station. They also agreed, in preparation for this new project, that the United States would be involved in the Mir program, including American shuttles docking in the Shuttle Mir program. On the 12th of April 2021, at a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin, it was decided that Russia might withdraw from IS program in 2025. According to Russian authorities, the time frame of the station's operations has expired and its condition leaves much to be desired. The legal structure that regulates the station is multi-layered. The primary layer establishing obligations and rights between the IS partners is the Space Station Intergovernmental Agreement, an international treaty signed on January 28, 1998 by 15 governments involved in the space station project. The IS consist of Canada, Japan, the Russian Federation, the United States, and 11 member states of the European Space Agency. Article 1 outlines its purpose. This agreement is a long-term international cooperative framework on the basis of genuine partnership for the detailed design, development, operation, and utilization of a permanently inhabited civil space station for peaceful purposes, in accordance with international law. The IGA sets the stage for a second layer of agreements between the partners referred to as Memoranda of Understanding, of which 4 exist between NASA and each of the 4 other partners. There are no MOUs between ISRO, Roscosmos, ISSA and JAXA because NASA is the designated manager of the IS. The MOUs are used to describe the roles and responsibilities of the partners in more detail. A third layer consists of bartered contractual agreements or the trading of the partners' rights and duties, including the 2005 Commercial Framework Agreement between NASA and Roscosmos that sets forth the terms and conditions under which NASA purchases seats on Soyuz crew transporters and cargo capacity on unmanned Progress transporters. A fourth legal layer of agreements implements and supplements the 4 MOUs further. Notably among them is the IS Code of Conduct, setting out criminal jurisdiction, anti-harassment and certain other behavior rules for its crew members. Made in 1998. Travelers who pay for their own passage into space are termed spaceflight participants by Roscosmos and NASA, and are sometimes referred to as space tourists, a term they generally dislike. All 7 were transported to the ISS on Russian Soyuz spacecraft. When professional crews change over in numbers not divisible by the 3 seats in a Soyuz, and a short-stay crew member is not sent, the spare seat is sold by MirCorp through Space Adventures. When the Space Shuttle was retired in 2011, and the station